Main One Cable, West Africa's first submarine cable, is expanding its broadband capabilities to the South-South region. The company reaches out to the oil and gas space to foster integration and accessibility to provide adequate infrastructure. We now speak to Funke Okpeke. She's the CEO of Main One, to give us her perspective on what is going on and why they are reaching out to the oil and gas space. Funke, it's great to have you on our show today, and I want to first of all hear about this project. It sounds like you're really engaging the oil and gas space. When people hear South-South, it seems that is the target.
Yes, indeed it is. A year ago, we started providing services to the enterprise community with a focus on oil and gas and financial institutions in Lagos. We have established significant presence in providing broadband services to them in Lagos. They are delighted with our services, and inevitably what followed was how can we extend those services to the region where we operate, which is the South-South region and indeed Port Harcourt. We started testing out those services late in 2012, and today we were able to formally present our presence in Port Harcourt to the oil and gas industry and other internet service providers in the Port Harcourt region.
All right, so you're obviously expanding, but how has your entry into Nigeria been so far? I guess it's been a tough terrain. We know there are other cables also at play in the region.
It's been a tough terrain, but we've had over 2 years of experience now. Highly reliable service, very good customer service, and an evolution and further development in our service portfolio to meet the need of large business and enterprise customers. So indeed, even though we have competition, because of the high quality and reliability we bring, also the focus we bring on business customers, that's all we serve, and we are not distracted. We believe we're able to excel in the value proposition that we offer to our customers, and so our business has continued to grow. As I mentioned, we've grown vertically in terms of services, and we've also grown in breadth in terms of the number of industries that we're serving. We started serving telecommunications operators on a wholesale basis, and now we're serving a lot of corporate customers, oil and gas, finance, media. We're serving educational institutions, and we're also expanding our reach. Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, and other cities across Nigeria, where we're partnering with reliable backhaul providers to extend our services to more points of presence with our customers. All
right, so you're expanding your reach in the country, but I think a lot of investors would like to know when you'll be expanding your reach into the capital market. I imagine that you're funded by private equity at this stage, but what can you tell us about where that is in your plans in terms of expansion?
I think our focus is on building the revenue stream, the profitability, and the cash flow of the company. 2012, we did turn a profit for the first time. Our shareholders are pleased. We're looking to restructure some of our debt to lower the cost of long-term borrowing. And I guess with the new cables having entered the market and us having turned a profit in light of that, we feel that we're looking forward to bigger and better things to come. In terms of specific timing for a listing, you'll have to talk to the shareholders.
Okay, so we will be following up on that. Thank you so much for joining us on the show today. Funke Okpeke, she's the CEO of Main One Cable.